Chime Bank, where's my stimulus check? I know a lot of people have been asking me. So today's video, I'm going to be reading off official transcripts from basically like the IRS basically releasing the date and information of when the stimulus check should hit. If you're watching this video, I know a lot of people, you either received it or you didn't. I know it's like 50-50, but if you probably watch this video, you probably have not received your stimulus check yet. But if you have, drop the comments below. Also, if you haven't, drop the comments below. That way we can figure out, when you gonna receive them. Today is the 3rd, January 3rd, and I made updates videos the 2nd and the 1st, just letting you guys know that, with it being a weekend and the holidays, Chime does not process on the holidays or the weekends. A lot of people were saying they do process on the weekends. As you guys figured out, they do not process on the weekends. Some of the members may have, got stuff processed over the weekends, but for the majority of the members of Chime, there was nothing done on Saturday. Sunday, nothing being processed through any banks, and Monday is when it'll actually go back in the processing time. As far as what time Monday, there's not a time frame, but it is issued that January 4th, they will be releasing the stimulus checks. Now, if you guys are new to my channel and have been wondering like, what is Chime and how can I download Chime? Very, very simple. Use my link. They're giving out $75 right now. $75 right now. All you have to do is use my link. Very, very simple. I'll put it right there, and I'll put it in the description. You'll get $75. You'll also get a savings account, a checking account, and then also a credit builder account, meaning you can build your credit. This day and age, you're gonna need to build your credit up. Whether you're getting cars, phones, clothes, a lot of places you need your credit. Apartments, housing, whatever. You need credit. So at the end of the day, that will build your credit with the credit builder card. And then if you have the stimulus check coming in, they actually gave out the spot me feature of $200 to 1,000 of the Chime members, of people who had Chime prior and that linked up their stimulus check. So if you got the stimulus check in April through Chime, you're gonna get the same way, and they might even throw you a $200 spot me offer on there as well. If you got that spot me offer as well, drop the comments below. It was only 1,000 people that got them, so if you was part of that 1,000, salute to you. You're one of 1,000. Chime obviously gives back to the members. There's a lot of different incentives that Chime incorporates when it comes to giving back to the members. Like I said, there's no overdraft fee. They're going to spot you. It used to be $20, $40, now it's $200. They're spotting up to $200, so that's big, especially when you got people in this world today who needs that, who can rely on the banks, because there's not a lot of banks. Let's just be real, there's not a lot of banks out there who's going to spot you $200, let alone spot you $10. You can't go to your bank right now and say, can I get spotted $10? So for Chime to do that to the members, it's a good way to sign up, man. It's a good way to have that bank. It's not even just for that feature, but just overall in general. When you got banks that have your back, go ahead and download it using my link. If you guys are skeptic or was wondering where to download it from, like I said, Chime's gonna give you $75. It's a win-win. It's really a win-win, but like I was talking about these transcripts, with Chime, the official transcript said January 4th. You can actually run your transcripts right now and see on the IRS website right now. So if you're skeptic of when your stimulus check was going to hit, or if you didn't know prior, you could have checked this website out and they would have gave you an official date as far as when your stimulus check was going to hit. January 4th seems to be the lookout for everybody. If you guys, or seems to be the payoff for everybody. If you guys have checked yours, drop the comments below. If you guys haven't, I'll try to find a link somewhere and put it in the description. I'll actually put that link in there. But January 4th seems to be when everybody's gonna get their stimulus checks. A lot of people have asked me in the comments as well, does the spot me feature, does Chime pay that back, or is that spot me, is that $200 that they spotted you an actual part of your stimulus? That has nothing to do with your stimulus check. So if you've been spotted $200, all that is saying is once you get your stimulus check, that $200 is going to be being deducted ASAP. So as soon as possible, that's being deducted no matter what. So guys, it's not like you got your stimulus check, because a lot of people say, I only got $200 in my stimulus check. No, that was all part of the Spot Me feature that Chime incorporated, because they knew you are getting your stimulus check through Chime. You know, that's actually a heads up, meaning, hey, they know something. So with that being said, they spotted you $200, and then once that $200 gets secure in your account through your stimulus check, they're taking that right out. So you're gonna get off the top deducted $200. Off top, you're getting deducted $200. If you guys are new to Chime and also been wondering, like, I'm skeptic, I don't know about downloading it, you know what I mean, I don't know about any of that. So especially when it comes to direct deposits, you don't have to put your full paycheck into your Chime account. You can go to your HR, you can go anywhere, and you can say, hey, only want $200, because you only need $200 to qualify for the $75 to qualify for all of Spot Me features and stuff like that. So when that when that $200 hit, then you'll be able to get your credit builder card, you have a savings account, you have a checking account, a routing account number, so you can pay 2 days earlier. Somebody commented, said they got paid 4 days earlier. That's crazy. That's crazy. So it's a lot of good benefits with Chime. With the stimulus package, a lot of people have been saying, they received their first checks real fast in April. Now it's kind of being slow, but as I mentioned before, due to the holidays, you got the weekends, you got Sundays. It's tough playing with Friday, Saturday, Sundays, because it's not a business day. Business days are Monday through Friday. So when you got a holiday on Friday, or you got a holiday on Thursday, then you got the weekend coming up, nothing yet processed on Saturday, Sunday, it's really at halt, puts a standstill. But those transcripts, you guys can look those up and it will give you the official date, January 4th, for about the most part, you'll be looking at January 4th, which is Monday. I don't really see things until I believe it, so I like to say Monday, Tuesday, but if you received it Monday, or if you somehow received it today, drop the comments below. But for the most part, we're gonna hope and wish for Monday. Like I said, Monday or Tuesday. If you guys got any question regarding the stimulus checks, about if you change banks or anything like that, drop the comments below. Like I said, if you were trying to change banks, check out my link as well. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Just like that, we signing out.
Okay.